This is a VSR 9-pin cam lock. Here's a key. Happens to be a sample. The bitting's actually quite nice. It's kind of dual on both sides. This is actually rather, the key works just fine. Blah, 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 blah. It's a rather annoying lock to pick. There's a couple of videos of this online already. Mostly because it has a ton of T-pins and oversetting is really common. So the recommended way to pick this is what's called gorilla tension, meaning apply a ton of torque to this tiny, tiny cam lock and hope that that's enough to not overset things. Not a ton of core movement on this. It's extremely tiny. There's not much movement there to be had whatsoever. It's a nice exercise in both gorilla tension, but also not a ton of force on the pins themselves, because you don't want to overset them. Just tiny, tiny clicks all around. If there's ever counter rotation, you're about to overset everything, cease and desist and try something else. There are no spools here to have to defeat. Let's see, what else could I be missing? think the right side is set. Must mean something on the left side. Let's see, drop something there. Let's try. Yeah, it's a nice click. Another nice click. More nice hobbitses. And there we go. And that's an open. Okay, this is open. Now I'm not going to cut it because I don't want to. It's high pin count. Let's see if we can get that on camera, that it's still crimped together. And I don't have to cut this whatsoever. This is just an enclosure. And this is the back of it. It's crimped in there from the factory. So I don't have to gut high pin count locks. And the key still works. It's just a there you go. All right. So that was a VSR 9-pin cam lock. There's other videos on YouTube where this thing is gutted. It's got a bunch of T-pin ugliness there. But yeah, hope you guys liked it.